Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So I'm not going to focus on the high level wave count in this video. I did that in previous video. What is interesting though is just an update about the most imminent price movement here. What we did, as I said yesterday, we had a chance to go a bit higher in a wave C. We could theoretically go all the way up to 1740 in this particular scenario here without invalidating the wave 4 scenario, which would lead to another move down. Yeah, as I said before, I would expect here to be able to count that in a very nice way to the downside. Yeah, that impulsive wave to the downside, to count that, yeah, in a clean way. I'd like to see one more low. Is it absolutely necessary that one more low? No, and I said that before as well. So if we go really impulsively above 1740, then we can assume that that local low is already in. It's not high confidence because this move to the upside looks, yeah, well, it looks corrective. You could count it in a bullish way as a diagonal pattern, but again, these are never really great because to get further confirmation, then you want to wait for the next pullback anyway. If the next pullback makes a higher low and will be a 3-wave move down, we will probably see more upside. But it all depends now on the next pullback, what it's doing. Primarily in that next move down, I would expect us to make a lower low in an impulsive way. So looking at this overall, you can see that I currently count the wave 4 as an ABC pattern here. The wave C could definitely be complete. I did that on the Bitcoin chart as well, just to count the subwaves. Again, please always keep in mind, what I'm doing here also to keep you up to date is micro counting. These are very fragile. The lower you go in the wave count in terms of time frame, the more fragile these waves get. That just has to do with the daily volatility in the market. But what we see here is a clear 5-wave structure in a wave C. That is what we want to see, and that could indicate that wave 5 of wave C of wave 4 could be complete, and we need to be on high alert of a move down. But not just like that, we want to see confirmation. What would be a confirmation for that? That the sell-off has started? Well, very important in a diagonal pattern is this 2-4 line. And if you see us break below that level, if that happened now, that would be below 1650. If we go below this level, it is a good indication that we come down lower. Another good indication will be a move below the wave 4 low that is at 1605. And then I see this move down ending between 1440 and 1465. But again, it's just, it's micro counting here. And then afterwards, I would expect here a move up, most likely corrective in a wave B. We'll see where that ends when we know where that last leg to the downside is going to end. And then in another wave C sell-off here, us to get into this wave 2 price region. And that is located at the moment between 1230 and 1440. Could we already go higher here? Could this even be an impulsive move that's starting? Yes, but again, to do that, certain conditions need to be fulfilled. I mean, this move could take us to new highs, absolutely. At the moment, not my primary expectation. And to do that, we need to get certain conditions fulfilled. What we want to see in this scenario where we actually move higher would be, yes, 5-wave move complete, that's fine. Now we want to see a 3-wave pullback, in contrast to a 5-wave pullback that will take us lower, but a 3-wave pullback, which is a corrective wave pattern, and then also an impulsive move above 1740. Then I would consider something more bullish is going on here. Until then, this remains the roadmap. Another move down in a wave 5, a move up in a wave B, and then a move down in a wave C. So this is sort of the roadmap. I think this is getting close to its end here. Yeah, we can count 5 waves already. It depends now on the pullback, and I'll keep you updated about that today. All right, and that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.